friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So this is the, wow, sixth video in my Pride series. I am taking the colors from the Genderqueer flag and putting them on my face in today's video. I'm excited to show support specifically to my genderqueer cuties out there. I hope that you enjoy this look. I hope all of you enjoy this look. If you are new to this series, I am featuring small LGBTQ+ artists in the description box below. If you have more suggestions, let me know so I can include them in the next video. I'm just really excited about the series in general. You guys seem to really enjoy it, and I'm really happy about that. You've been nothing but loving and caring and supportive, and it's just such a beautiful place in the comment section on these videos. I'm also including a link to donate to the Trevor Project down below. They're an organization that helps with preventing teen suicide in the LGBTQ+ community, and it's so awesome. It's so important to me, and I just wanted to have that down there as well. And as usual, my DMs are always open if you need to talk about anything. I'm here for you. I'm here with you. I love every one of you, and I'm just really excited about this series. I think I have 2 more flags to do after this, and I'm super excited about them. I might try to film one more of them today because I'm just really pumped. I love how I look right now, and if you want to watch me do this, then I guess let's just move on. All right, hello, Wig Cat Betty Jean again. I've already done my concealer, my cream bronzer, and my powder. I didn't do a cream blush today because I wanted to do kind of a purpley tone blush, and I don't have a cream purpley tone blush. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know how I'm going to like this, but I'm going to take B from the Juvias Saharan 2 palette, and we'll see how it goes. If it's a weird color on me, which it very much might be, then I'll go in with some pink on top of it, but I want to start by just trying some of this purpley blush and see how it goes. I just want to kind of embrace the purpley tones for this look, you know? Going in very lightly because I'm frightened. Although so far that's not looking bad on me. What is going on today? It's Monday. I work later in the afternoon, so I have some time this morning to film and edit and do all my YouTube-y stuff. But what are you guys up to? I don't even know what day of the week it is that this video goes up. Maybe Wednesday or something? Who knows? I'm going pretty heavy with the blush, of course, because that's how I like it. Just going to top over everything now with my sponge. I feel like underneath is looking messy. I don't know why I've been so sloppy lately, so I'm just gonna clean that up with some powder for a moment. I think I should leave it just like this, actually. I think this is a beautiful look. While that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my fake freckles with my Lime Crime freckle pen. I don't know how heavy I wanna do them today. We'll see. We'll see just how it goes. I actually feel like I kind of want to go pretty heavy with them because my wig that I'm going to wear is super curly, and I just think that'll be really cute. I do want them mostly focused around my nose. I'm not really going to drag them too much like along the rest of my face or my forehead or anything like that. I just want them more so in the center today. And we'll call it a day. I'm going to just take my blush brush with no additional product to lightly pat over things, and then of course take my sponge to do the same thing, so that it looks like they're kind of underneath my makeup, even though they're fake. Just going to dust this bake away now. I did not want this to sit very long, and then we will work on highlighting. I'm liking this blush color a lot more than I thought I was going to. And like I said, I wanted to do kind of purpley things for my face, so I'm going to dip into my Jeffree Star Platinum Ice palette and take a Lavender Snow, the purple highlight. And I'm just going to highlight my face like I normally would. And that's gonna be that. Cheekbones, nose, a little on the forehead, Cupid's bow, chin. You guys know what to do. Of course, tapping over everything once again with my sponge. My sponge is my favorite tool. And that's it for the face. I'm gonna spray my face now with this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Face Mist. So for my eyes, I have a vague idea of what I'm gonna do. I think I'm mostly going to use my Dragon Child and Feral palettes from Menagerie, and I think I'm gonna use the white shadow in the Riviera palette because it's such a good white. And I need to reach for palettes that I don't reach for often, which I use my Menagerie ones very often, but whatever. They're perfect for purples and greens. I'm priming one of my eyes with my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite. I get asked occasionally why I only do one eye, and if I only do one eye when I'm not filming. And basically I only do one eye at a time when I make videos because it makes my editing life easier. It's not hard for me to just replicate it. I guess I'm just good at remembering what I did. I don't know. It's not too often that I do my makeup when I don't film it. It's very rare. And in those instances where I do my makeup, and I don't film it, I do them at the same time, but it's very rare. I'm almost always filming when I do my makeup. So I want to start with Stone Drake, and I'm going to start working that all through my crease and just start laying down a nice lavendery base. I think I want to kind of have this winged out, of course, but I want it kind of angled upwards. Fairly exaggerated. One of my cats is getting into something. Hang on. Sorry if I suddenly look different. I had to readjust my camera. One of my cats wasn't even freaking out. It must be something outside. I swear it sounded like one of my cats was getting into something. I don't even know. But yeah, just taking this all the way from inner to outer corner. Exaggerated wing. I'm not really going to take this on the lower lash line because I'm going to designate my lower lash line for the green. I think that'll be really cute. I'm going to take a bit of a smaller brush now, and I'm going to take Worm to deepen up that purple. I'm going to do pretty much the same idea. I'm just keeping this a bit tighter in my crease. I also want to start kind of deepening up this outer corner of my lid space, because I am most definitely going to do a half cut crease because I want to create a very open space. And I don't want to do a full cut crease because, I don't know, I'm not partial to full cut creases. I like a half cut crease. That's my jam. And I'm going to buff that out with this first brush that I used. These shades blend so easy. I'm obsessed with this Menagerie Cosmetics formula. I can't wait for my Whale Song palette. I'm so hyped for it. You know, maybe I don't want to do a cut crease. Maybe I just want to pat a white across the lid. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm going to try that. I think I'm going to take Sails. It's the white shade. I'm just taking any random shadow brush. It doesn't really matter what you use. And let's just start patting this down. And I know you guys get really excited when I do looks that aren't cut creases, so I'm trying to obey as much as I like a cut crease. I want you guys to be pleased. So I'm just taking this right up against like that edge where I would cut my crease. Just so it is nice and bright. Oh, forget how white and bright and just perfect this white shadow is. Hands down the best white shadow I own. Just gonna take that first brush to lightly buff where things are meeting. Lovely. Glorious. Kind of want to highlight my brow bone with that white. I never do this anymore. I used to do that all the time. I don't know why I stopped, but now seems like a good time to do it. I don't know if I like it. I think that's why I stopped. I don't know if I like the look of that anymore. I'm going to take a little bit more of that first shade, Stone Drake, that light lavender, just to kind of buff up here. Okay, now I'm going to use a bunch of greens under my lower lash line. I'm going to start with Ivy from the Feral palette, and I'm just taking a flat brush. This is a Morphe M432, and I'm just going to start tucking that right up against the lashes. And now I'm going to take Sleeping Dragon from the Dragon Child palette on just a small blending brush, just a little bit of it, nothing too crazy, to start buffing that out. I really like this color combo. I think it's so pretty. Just taking my very first brush to buff where those two shadows meet just a little bit. Not going too crazy with it because purples and greens don't mesh 100% perfect together because they are both secondary colors on the color wheel. They aren't perfectly friendly with each other, but I do want them to flow a little bit. I think that looks really pretty. What do I want in my inner corner? Maybe I'll just highlight with my face highlight. That sounds like a good idea. So I'm just gonna take that lavender snow shade with a small brush, and I'm just going to pop that in my inner corner. Looks quite lovely. I think I want to put Teaspoon from Colourpop in my waterline. It is a green. I like what that is looking like. I'm going to do the other eye, throw on my lashes, something on my lips, and we'll finish this up. That's it. This is the final look. What do you think? I feel so Cute. I love this look. I love this wig. I love it with the beanie. I love just this whole look put together. I think it's adorable. I went ahead and put my Milk Makeup heart tattoo stamp. Where is it? I don't even know where I put it. I took my Milk Makeup heart tattoo stamp and put 2 little hearts on this look because I thought it would just add a little something. I love those little stamps. My lashes are the Rouge and Rogue Miss Fury lashes. They're not dead yet, but they're close. They're almost on their last leg. They are on their last leg. I'm just forcing them to keep going. And on my lips, I went with Jeffree Star's Crocodile Tears. I wanted a cute green lip to complete this look. I feel like it's a really good balance of green, pink, and white. Even without the wig and the beanie and stuff, it's still like very cohesive to the color scheme. I hope I did this flag justice. I enjoyed playing with these colors and featuring this flag. I guess that's really all I have to say though. If you enjoyed this look, if you're enjoying this series, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, but usually it's 6 or 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.